Erosion is something that we're also asked about sometimes. Erosion most commonly occurs around fence posts, around retaining walls, and then also around some of the flatwork concrete, perhaps your air conditioning pad, your driveway, a sidewalk. Any civil engineer will tell you that the best defense against erosion is established sod. A lot of times erosion will occur around fence posts because perhaps the established sod is disturbed whenever fencing contractors are setting their posts and sod is not placed back over it in time. Erosion is always caused by traveling water. So whenever we get heavy rainfall, that is what exacerbates the effects of erosion. The best defense is established sod. If you notice erosion around any of these components, the best thing to do is to go purchase some sod, put it over the area that's eroding, and also use sod staples to help adhere it to the ground. That will ensure that the sod has a chance to take and root into the ground and adhere properly before another heavy rain washes it away and you have to do it all over again.